Good morning, all of you. I hope all of you are fine. Today we are going to start our 8th lecture. In our previous lecture, we have discussed about various joins that which are available in MySQL. And today we will discuss about operations on relations or relational algebra, in which basically we are going to cover four things today: union, intersection, minus, Cartesian product. Okay, minus is also known as difference. Okay, so first of all, what is relational algebra? See, basically in relational algebra, we used to set relations between two tables, and then we give some input, we give some conditions, and on the basis of that we are getting some outputs. So it is written also over here is a procedural query language which takes instances of relations means table, as input and yields instances of relations as output. So basically we are giving instance as a input for a relation, and then we are getting instance as the output of a relation. Now we can have two type of relational algebra or relational operators: unary or binary. At least you should have some ideas of all these. See, now in unary we are having select, project, rename, which is not in our syllabus, but at least we should know that these comes under unary relational operations. Then relational algebra operation from set theory. These four things we are going to discuss today. First is your union, then your intersection, then your difference, and then your Cartesian product. Okay, these all four things we are going to discuss today. Then join and division. Joins we have already completed in our previous section, and division is not there in our syllabus. So let's start with the union first. Union is represented by U symbol first of all. And see, what is the meaning of union? Union means, suppose if we are having two tables and we wanted to combine those two tables together. So in that particular case, union will take the values from both the tables, and duplicate values it will show only one time. Means it will actually eliminate duplicate values. Okay. So over here it is written also, union is symbolized by this, and it includes all the tuples that are in tables A or in B. It also eliminates duplicate tuples. Means basically it is going to combine both the tables, and then it is going to remove the duplicate values or duplicate rows. How to represent this? Something like this: A union B. Some conditions are there for union. The very first condition is that tables must have same number of attributes, means same number of columns. So it means if 3 columns are there in first table, you must have 3 columns in the second table. If 4 columns are there in the first table, then 4 columns you must have in your second table. Then next is attributes domain needs to be compatible, means the type and the size of the columns has to be same. For example, I am taking one example. Suppose this is column 1, this is column 1. Suppose this is of varchar 2 type. So over here also it must be varchar 2 type of column. Similarly, if it is varchar 5 type of column, so here also it must be varchar 5 type of column. So this is what called domains, attribute domains. Then duplicate tuples should be automatically removed. This when we will do practically you will understand. Okay, so you see, this is my table A. In table A, we are having two columns, A1, B1 and A1, B2. Okay, and over here again two columns are there, column 1, column 2, in which rows are A1, B1 and A1, B3. If you will see properly, these two tuples are same. Tuples means rows. So these two tuples are same, and this is and this one are not same. So if we wanted to find union of these two tables, okay, so it will be represented something like this: A union B, and what it will give me, see, all the columns it is showing, duplicate column it is sorry, all the rows it is showing, and duplicate tuple it is showing only for the one time. For example, A1 B1 was there at 2 times, but here you will see it is it has shown only for one time. Then A1 B2 from here, and then A1 B3 from here. I hope union is clear to you. Then next is our set difference. Difference means basically we are ultimately we are going to deduct the values or minus. So what it do, see now there are two types of there will be two type of minus, a minus b or b minus a. When we say a minus b means from a we wanted to remove the values of b. Similarly when we say b minus a, it means from b we wanted to remove the values of a. So over here, therefore a minus b and b minus a are not same, remember this thing. Now suppose here if I will say a minus b, it means from here whatever is common of b will be removed. It means a1 b1 was there in b, all in table b also, so this will remove, so answer will be a1 b2 only. You can see over here a minus b is a1 b2. But suppose if I am doing b minus a, in that particular case it is not given here, but in that particular case a1 b1 will be removed, but a1 b3 will be the answer. Okay, because from b we are removing what is available from the a table. I hope this is clear. Again some conditions are there. Very first condition is the attribute name of a has to match with the attribute name of b. It means these two has to be same, these names also, column 1 column 1. Here I cannot write col1. Okay, it means both the things has to be completely same. Similarly column 2, so column 2 col2 I cannot write here. Then second condition is the two operand relation a and b should be either compatible or union compatible. They must be compatible means the type has to be again same, and it should define the relation consisting of tuples that are in relation a but not in b. Means you should have some values which are available in a but which is not available in b, so that it can show you the answer. So as I said, if I will do a minus b, a1 b1 will be removed but a1 b2 will be there. So the answer is a1 b2. Then next is intersection. The meaning of intersection is the common values. So in intersection, basically in both the tables, whatever is my common row, that will be shown or that will be fetched as a answer. For example, if you will see this particular table, now in both these tables, a1 b1 is common. Okay, a1 b1 is available in this row as well as it is available in this table also. So if we will be finding the intersection, you see after finding the intersection a1 b1 we are getting. I hope this is clear. Okay, fine. And again conditions are again same, that both of their attributes name has to be same as well as their domain has to be same. Then last one is Cartesian product. See, as it has shown over here with multiplication symbol, or it is also known as cross join. Now the meaning of Cartesian product means each row of first table will be combined with the each row of the next table, like whatever we wanted to combine or we wanted to find Cartesian product. Okay, so now suppose again I am taking my same tables. Now suppose I wanted to find a1 cross b. So in that particular case a1 b1 will be combined with first row this one, then a1 b1 will combine with the second row a1 b3. So my answer will be a1 b1 a1 b1, next row will be a1 b1 a1 b3. Then same thing will be done with respect to the second row. It means a1 b1 will a1 b2 will combine with the first row first, then a1 b2 will combine with the second row. So answer will be a1 b2 a1 b1, then a1 b2 a1 b3. We can cross check over here. You can see after doing cross join over here. Okay, a1 b1 a1 b1, then a1 b1 means first row as it is, second rows first row as it is, and from the second table we are multiplying actually. Similarly same thing we are doing here also. Again a1 b1 a1 b3 we are repeating. I hope this is clear, and with this we have completed our this particular chapter of database management, and from tomorrow we'll start with some practice based question answers. I will be explaining you some of the question answers. Some are theory based question answers which you need to go through, you need to learn, and for practical based question answers you are supposed to understand the type of questions, you have to apply your logics. Two, three question answers I will explain to you from my side, solved ones, and later on I will be giving you some of the unsolved question answers for the practice. So what I am expecting is that you go through all these topics again and again so that you should not face any problem while solving those question answers. Okay. Okay. Thank you so much.